This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet slightly, then lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Slacken the clamp at each end of the air intake duct, then undo the retaining nut. Gently disconnect the air duct from the air cleaner and the manifold. Then squeeze together the sides of the collar and disconnect the breather hose. Undo the 2 bolts at the front, then pull up and remove the engine cover. Lift the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the fuel temperature sensor. The filter metal cover is secured by 4 nuts. Undo the nuts and remove the cover. Clean the area around the top of the filter and place absorbent rags to collect any spilled fuel. Note their fitted positions, then depress the release buttons and disconnect the various fuel hoses from the top of the fuel filter. Plug or cover the openings to prevent contamination. Remove the rags and mop up any spilled fuel. Slacken and remove the 3 Allen bolts, then lift the fuel filter from the mounting bracket. Position the new filter into the mounting bracket. Then insert the Allen bolts and tighten them securely. Remove the plugs or covers and reconnect the hoses to their original locations on the filter. Don't connect the fuel supply hose yet. Make sure the quick release fittings have engaged securely. Place rags around the fuel supply port, then connect a handheld pump between the fuel supply hose and the port on the filter. If the pump has an arrow indicating flow direction, ensure the arrow points towards the filter port. Operate the pump until firm resistance is felt, indicating that fuel is being pumped rather than air. Swiftly remove the pump and reconnect the fuel supply hose to the filter. Mop up any spilled fuel and remove the rags. Maneuver the filter cover into position, then refit and securely tighten the 4 retaining nuts. Reconnect the fuel temperature sensor wiring plug. Maneuver the cover into position over the engine. Then press down the rear edge to engage the mountings. Insert and tighten the retaining bolts at the front of the cover. Refit the air duct, pressing the breather pipe firmly onto the connection as it's refitted. Tighten the air duct retaining nut securely. Tighten the clamp at each end of the air duct. Depress the accelerator pedal to the floor, then start the engine as normal. This may take longer than usual, especially if the fuel system has been allowed to run dry. Operate the starter in 10-second bursts, with 5 seconds rest in between each operation. Run the engine at a fast idle speed for a minute or so to purge any remaining trapped air from the fuel lines. After this time, the engine should idle smoothly at a constant speed. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.